Google Pixel 9 series UK prices and promo offers leak. Hey everyone, big news for all you Google Pixel fans out there. We've got the latest scoop on UK pricing and promo offers for the upcoming Pixel 9 series, straight from Vodafone's leak. If you're thinking of upgrading, you'll definitely want to stick around for this. So, let's dive into the details. Thanks to Vodafone's Terms and Conditions page, we've uncovered the UK prices for the Pixel 9 lineup. First up, the Pixel 9. It's going to be priced at £750 for the 128GB model and £894 for the 256GB variant. But here's a sweet deal. From August 13th to September 3rd, you can snag that 256GB version for the price of the 128GB one. That's right, double the storage for no extra cost. Next, let's talk about the Pixel 9 Pro. The 128GB model will set you back £914, while the 256GB version will be £1,094. During the promo period, you can also get the 256GB model for £914. If you're looking for more storage, the 512GB variant will be available for £1,022, rising to £1,202 after September 3rd. For the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the 128GB model will be priced at £1,022, and the 256GB will cost £1,202. During the promo period, you can get the 256GB for £1,022. If you're after even more storage, the 512GB version will be £1,130 now and £1,310 post-promo. And for the ultra-high-end 1TB model, expect to pay £1,238 during pre-orders, rising to £1,562 after leak. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be available with 256GB for £1,670 and 512GB for £1,850. Until September 3rd, you can get the 512GB model for the price of the 256GB one. So, there you have it. If these deals have you excited, check the link in the description to pre-order your Pixel 9 now. And don't forget to catch our next video on the screen for more tech updates and reviews. And if you want to dive deeper into the latest tech trends, check out the video on the screen. See you there.